unique location. We're just off the M4, easy access to the town. Spend a whole day here wandering around the seafront, going in all the local cafes and restaurants, and then you can hit the high street. People should shop local every Christmas and all year round. We want to have variety in our shopping. We want independence, we want to support the community and support local families.
We've got so many amazing independent shops. They all sell really unique products, and you just find things that you don't often find in like big towns. So by supporting us as a business, they're obviously supporting all our employees as well, and it's just really nice to see.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Shopping locally at Christmas is what we need as a town. It's a beautiful town, people are fantastic, it's so friendly, and why wouldn't you want to come and shop here? All the girls absolutely love Christmas. We're all really happy, there's lots of Prosecco flowing and there's a good party atmosphere.
The staff love Christmas because it's got that buzzy feeling. We've got the music, we've got the gifts for people to buy. They will enjoy the experience of shopping with us.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Well, Maesteg is a small, friendly town with a real sense of community.
Everything you need for Christmas is right on your doorstep. When people choose to shop local, we know we're doing something right.
It means that the money's staying in our town when people are spending in our shop.
Christmas shopping in Maesteg is special because there's a lot of creatives in Maesteg, so there's a lot of handmade items. Christmas is a time to get all your nails done and your eyelashes and your brows and make you feel good about yourself. I do make people feel special and they feel like I go out of here smiling and feeling beautiful. People should come to Maesteg to shop because you'd be surprised what you can get here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.